Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Wazir. Today I'm going to be presenting the second assignment for my selected topic in communication course. So the topic is programming language for cybersecurity, and in my case I'm choosing Python. Python is one of the most common programming languages used in general, and it's also one of the most common programming languages used in cybersecurity. So according to Imperva, 77% of the websites that they protect were attacked by Python-based tools. So because of that, we as cybersecurity professionals need to learn the language and also learn the libraries associated with the cybersecurity so that we can better prepare ourselves against Python-based attacks. So as you can see here is the graph for mass adoption of all the different programming languages throughout the years. So you can see Python, JavaScript, Java, C#, PHP, and C++. So based on this graph, you see that the adoption of Python as a programming language has been increasing throughout the years, and it's now one of the most widely adopted programming languages among programmers in general. And this is according to Stack Overflow. So why use Python? So there are several reasons. One of the main reasons is that it is very user-friendly. It is easy to learn. For example, it has much simpler syntax if compared to Java. It is also open source and free to download. Other than that, it has continuous support from community that works continuously to make it a better programming language. And it also makes debugging a lot easier because it has its own built-in debugger called EDB. Other than that, there are a lot of libraries and frameworks available in Python for cybersecurity. So this makes us less reliant upon third party because we can create our own tools using all these different libraries and frameworks. So, and also because, as I mentioned before, attacks are primarily based on Python. So that's the reason why we need to use and learn Python. Okay, so here is an example of a simple code, hello world code. This is just to demonstrate the difference between Python and other language. And for example, in my case here, I'm using Java for comparison. So you can see the different number of lines required to print hello world. So for Python, you only have to write one line of code, as opposed to Java. Java requires us to declare the class and also the main method, which makes the code a lot longer. So because of this simplicity, programming doesn't need to worry about semicolons and doesn't need to worry about having to declare the main class and also the main method. Alright. So one of the ways that Python can be used in cybersecurity is in the field of penetration testing. So one of the most common tools in penetration testing is port scanner. So you can create one based on Python. So as you can see here is the code, Python code for port scanning. So for the first method, which is the check port method, it is used to check whether that particular port on that particular target IP is open. And for the second method, it is to display and also to scan a range of multiple ports for that particular IP and also display the outcome of the code. So another common use of Python is to create a tool called packet sniffer. Okay, so as you can see here is a simple code for packet sniffing. So this code essentially uses the socket library to capture a network frame and also to display the Ethernet frame and also the MAC address and also the destination of the packet. So using this code, the programmer can use it to obtain the network frame and also format it and display in a formatted manner. Okay. So lessons learned from this research is that we always need to stay up to date with the latest development, latest programming languages that are used by a lot of people, especially by cybersecurity professionals. Okay. We also need to understand that in order to better prepare, we need to understand the main language that is used by the attackers. Okay, so based on research, one of the most common languages used is Python. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching.